Is it possible to pay off debt and still have fun? Yes! Discover 5 easy ways to lower your debt while keeping life enjoyable. The last tip is a real game changer. Stay tuned. To get started, think of 3 things you're good at and 3 things you usually pay for. By swapping your skills with friends or family, you can save money and still get what you need. This way, you keep enjoying activities without extra spending. Skill exchanges can include cooking, fixing things, or tutoring. Set up a group where everyone trades time or talents so no one has to pay. It is a smart way to keep your budget balanced and your life interesting. You do not have to give up fun to save money. Swapping skills lets you enjoy the same things, just in a different way. It is a win-win for everyone involved. Recommendation number 2. Try giving your fun a schedule instead of a price tag. Pick a regular time each week for free or low-cost activities, like outdoor games or creative challenges. This helps you enjoy life on purpose, not just by spending money. Budgeting your fun in hours, not dollars, keeps you from overspending. You can look forward to these moments and make the most of them. Planning ahead means you get to have fun without worrying about your wallet. Free events and meetups can be just as enjoyable as paid ones. By making fun part of your routine, you stay happy and on track with your goals. Remember, tip number 5 is coming up soon, and it is the one you will not want to miss. And number 3, spend just 20 minutes a day turning a hobby into a small source of income. You could draw, write, or organize playlists and earn a few dollars each day. This extra money can add up and help pay off debt faster. Plus, it powers the Fun Fund in Tip 5. You do not need to start a business. Just use your skills for small tasks. Selling digital art, reviewing books, or offering short lessons are all good options. Even a little extra income can make a big difference over time. Use what you earn for a special fun fund. This way, you can enjoy treats without feeling guilty or hurting your progress. Turning hobbies into micro-income makes paying off debt feel rewarding. Number 4. Try a no-spend challenge for just 1 week. Only buy essentials like groceries or gas, and find free options for everything else. This short challenge helps you see how much fun you can have without spending. Making it a game can help you discover new hobbies and save money. Track how much you save during the week to stay motivated. It is not about giving up, but about learning new ways to enjoy life. A no-spend week is a reset for your habits. You will build confidence and realize you do not need to spend to have fun. It is a simple way to boost your savings and your mood. Finally, build a fun fund using only found money, like cashback, gift cards, or spare change. This money is not part of your regular budget, so it feels like a bonus. Use it just for fun, so you can enjoy treats without guilt. A fun fund lets you enjoy life while staying on track with your financial goals. You do not have to give up what you love to pay off debt. With a little creativity, you can have both progress and joy. Check back on this channel, the Zennial Files, for addition tips and advice. Collecting found money can make saving feel like a reward. Every little bit adds up and helps you stay out of debt. This approach turns small surprises into happy moments. As a recap, here are 5 ways to pay off debt without giving up fun. Swap skills to save money and stay social. Schedule fun without spending extra. Turn hobbies into micro-income in minutes. Try a 1-week no-spend challenge and build a fun fund with found money. These steps help you enjoy life while working toward your goals. Remember, paying off debt does not mean losing joy. With creativity and planning, you can have fun and make progress. Just like saving for a 401k, small actions add up over time. Stay positive and keep moving forward. Check back on this channel, the Zennial Files, for future advice.